Hey, welcome back. My name is Ray with Ray's Engines. Glad to see you're back with me. We're here with the Procharged Pro Street C10 pickup that I'm building. I did receive my Serpentine kit from CVF. That's where they're from. It's a great looking kit. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up button and share it with others so they can see what you're watching and what you're learning. As you can see, this bracket is, it's extremely nice. This is a very thick bracket. This is the bracket that goes with the Procharger. If you remember my previous video, I ordered a Procharger F1C, and I ordered just a single unit, the head unit itself. I didn't order it with any pulleys, any brackets, anything like that. Reason why is because I wanted to order it with this whole serpentine system, because I am putting AC in it. As you can see, the alternator's chrome. The AC, of course, is chrome, and as you can see, they have their label on here as well. It's just a sticker, so I can take that sticker off, but it is chrome. Aluminum water pump, and then of course your small power steering. Reason why, this is going to go at the very bottom, and as you can see, here's the bracket that's going to hold everything up together. This is the one that's going to hold the power steering pump on this side, the alternator, air conditioner, and of course your water pump in here. From what I see here, it looks like a great looking kit. It also has a 10 rib for the Procharger. This is what I'm going to use for the Procharger. And then of course you have your 8 rib for your serpentine system. Again, this kit looks really good, and as I start installing it, I may make a video of the installation process. That way you can see how fast or it might not be as fast, but we'll see how it goes and how I install it for you. That way you can see every step on it. Right now I'm still doing the wiring on it. As I told you before, wiring does take a long time. There's a mess of wiring up front right now, so I'm working on that. But what I'm going to do is I may start installing this. That way I'll know where all my wiring goes for my alternator, my air conditioner. I'll mount my Procharger. That way I can order my pulley. Like I said, I want to tune it to 15 pounds of boost. Again, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you. Of course, there's a lot of little boxes in here. There's quite a bit of stuff in here. May be a mess in the background that you see, and that's just because me unpacking it right now. Again, this kit does look really nice, real good, real solid. It's a real solid piece. So I will let you know how it goes, and I'll make another video showing you all this installed, put together. There's quite a bit of stuff in here. There's a lot of little boxes. So I appreciate you watching, and just keep watching, and we'll finish this Pro Street build. Hopefully I'll finish it within a month or two and have it up and running, ready to go on the street, and then you'll get to hear it. You'll get to hear how that Procharger sounds. I appreciate you watching. Again, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Also share this video, let others see what you're watching and get tips of how we do it. I appreciate you watching. Thanks.